Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Colleton County in southeastern South Carolina until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Walterboro, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Walterboro, Cottageville, and Round Owl. This warning includes Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 54 and 64. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. You're listening to